Hey, welcome. My name is Charlie. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so glad that you're here. If you found this channel, hopefully it was through some type of YouTube search like I did a couple years ago. I had searched how to change a diaper one-handed. And the videos that I saw, there were a few of them, and the videos that I saw just didn't quite help the particular situation that I was in. So I decided to kind of play around with some ideas, get creative, adapt, and conquer. And that's exactly what this channel is all about: helping other people find a solution online to maybe a challenge or obstacle that they face. I'm going to try to get these videos out to you monthly. Some months will be a little bit heavier than others or lighter than others, but in the meantime, if you could like, comment, and subscribe. This isn't for a monetary gain. That is specifically because the more people that do that, I become more searchable, and then the people that are actually needing to see the content, right, these videos will get in front of them. So that's what that does. But thank you so much, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.